Hi, this is Lori McClaren, and I am going to do a demonstration of how you can use Screencastomatic to record your desktop to create videos to help add audio or even video to an existing document or presentation you may have, or just to go over information with your students. And so I'm going to model it using our Academic Continuity Plan website and just show you some of the features that are available. And so just to kind of walk you through our website as if you were a new user, you'll see our navigation is at the top of the website, and it contains things such as archives of all email communications that have been sent out by Dr. Duncan, Kalen Blattner. I've included a couple emails to all faculty, and so if you want to go back and review what's already been sent, that's an option for you. We are continuing to update our workshops and one-on-one support information. And one neat feature with Screencast-O-Matic is that your cursor has kind of a circle bullseye to help track and highlight important information. So if I want to highlight the events from Monday, March 16th, that helps draw the viewer's attention to that one spot. And you can scroll, and you'll see that we've also included a user guide for Google Hangouts here. And so that's information that we will continue to add to the site. I'm going to skip over to collaborative and interactive tools. There's some tools that we're going to continue to share and provide information resources with our faculty. Flipgrid's one where I just added a user guide, and I plan to do a workshop later this week. I'm hoping on Thursday. And Remind and Slack is some great tools I know some of our faculty currently use in their class. Edpuzzle is a great way to integrate questions and assessments into existing videos. So if you want to make sure your students are viewing videos they're uploading and then check for content and understanding, it's a great tool to do. And here we are with Screencast-O-Matic. Again, I'm just going to demonstrate how you can highlight and you can draw some tutorials. And then before we leave the Academic Continuity website, I just want to highlight on our drop-down menu that there's a lot of other pages, and we're going to continue to add more information so that this can truly serve as a one-stop place to get all your information and resource. And so academic advising is going to continue to add some information. Tutorial services will still be available to all of our students, just in an online format. And so we have a schedule of all the tutoring that will be available. Career Design Center is going to be sharing some information. And then under external resources, we've just been kind of collecting some great resources from other institutions, as well as some opportunities and resources that our publishers are making available. So at this point, I'm just going to demonstrate where I'm going to pause my recording and then pick up on a different screen. So now I'm picking up my recording from where I paused it with our dashboard for our Google Apps. And for those of you that haven't taken advantage of using this kind of as your landing page, I just want to show you that it's a great way to get access to all the tools that Google provides, from your calendar to Google Drive and your Google Docs and Sheets, to also email, Google Hangouts, and some other tools. And so I've made this as my landing page for when I start up my browser in Chrome, and so I can quickly go to wherever I need to and access. And again, if I just want to model something that we covered in our Google Hangout workshop the other day, if I want to schedule a future Hangout session, I'm going to go to my calendar, and let's say I want to do one for Thursday. I'm going to pick on Thursday, go to Create, and I'm going to call this a Screencast-O-Matic workshop. And I'm going to make sure that it's Thursday the 19th, and let's just say we're going to do it from 2 to 3 o'clock. I can add guests if I want, but I'm going to do it as a Google Hangout. So I'm going to click on Add Room, Location, or Conferencing, and I'm going to tell it I want to do Add Conferencing. And by doing it this way, it's already added and created a Google Hangout meeting space for me. So I can just now copy this URL and send it to anyone who would be interested in joining that workshop. And so I'm just going to copy that, hit save, and I could then go back to our academic continuity site and post the information, as well as send it out via an email. And so this is just an example of how you can record your desktop. You could do it through a PowerPoint presentation where you go through the slides and you add your own narration. And it's just a great way to kind of add audio, and you can include your webcam if you want, and that's an option.